I'm excited to introduce reinforcement fine-tuning LLMs with GRPO, built in partnership with Predibase and taught by Travis Adair, who's CTO and co-founder, and Arnav Garg, who's a senior machine learning engineer at Predibase. Reasoning models have been one of the most important developments in LLMs. In this course, you learn about a key reinforcement learning technique that makes them work much better. Specifically, you learn how to implement reinforcement fine-tuning, or RFT. Rather than showing a model how to perform a task using human-labeled or curated examples, as is normally done during supervised fine-tuning, RFT instead uses rewards to encourage LLMs to find their own solutions to multi-step reasoning tasks, such as solving math problems or debugging code. This leads to much better reasoning skills than supervised fine-tuning alone, and with much less training data. The RFT implementation you learn uses an algorithm called Group Relative Policy Optimization, or GRPO, to update the model during training. GRPO was developed by the DeepSeek team and was used to train the R1 reasoning model. It makes use of reward functions that you can write in Python to assign rewards to model responses. So, in this course, you learn how to design these reward functions and how to use them in reinforcement fine-tuning for LLMs with GRPO.
To see RFT in action, you'll use it to train an LLM to play Wordle, a popular word puzzle game that requires multi-step reasoning. You'll start by using errors the model makes to design reward functions that encourage valid solutions and the use of feedback on guesses. You'll then learn some general principles for building reward functions for a variety of use cases and how to avoid reward hacking, which is where a model learns to maximize rewards without actually solving the problem at hand.
Next, you'll take a closer look at how loss is calculated in GRPO by coding up the steps of the algorithm. Finally, you'll see how to set up RFT for the Wordle problem using Predibase and compare the final performance of the tuned LLM to other models.
LLMs with good reasoning skills are really important for many agentic systems, and the ability of RFT to improve the reasoning ability of smaller LLMs, especially for a single task, can help you build faster, cheaper applications. I think this technique will be an important one to know. Although RFT can take a little bit of work up front, the rewards are worth it. I hope you enjoyed the course.